Daniel, Eddie Becune ng EXO. Kaya may pahubad tayo dun. May pa-back reveal. Para pag nakita ni Becune, uy, wow, may pa-back reveal. Anyway, thank you for the short hair. True. For the Privé. Kaya nga thankful din ako sa Privé, especially ni Kuya Daniel, kasi he's very supportive sa people, very hands-on. Thank you Kuya Daniel if you're watching, or if makikita mo to. Yeah. Sige guys, I'm gonna go na muna. Mag-live ulit ako very soon. Bye-bye.